Hello everyone, hope you're having a good day. So I'm going to show you how you can export and import your playlist on iTunes. You're going to have the playlist selected, go to the File, Library, Export Playlist, and then you can click Save. And now on your new device or whatever you're going to do, you're probably moving playlist across to a new device is my guess. And you want to go to File, Library, Import, Playlist, and just select the text file. And now import it, and bam, it will just come back in again, and you have now successfully transferred your playlist across. Thank you for watching, hope you found the video useful, see you on the next one.